Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you how can you easily install this app for your iOS device. At first go to App Store. Here go into search. In the search tab you have to search for ROBOROCK and then search. As you can see, ROBOROCK is this one. You have to hit get and now you have to authorize yourself using Face ID. You have to double click this button to install and then scan your face or using your Apple ID password. Now you have to wait. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.